Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you have an Alexa enabled device like an Echo Dot, or even a Fire TV, you already have one of the best music players in your home. So Alexa and Amazon Music work together seamlessly. You can ask for songs by name, artist, basically, or even the lyrics. So the best part, you don't even need to touch anything, just use your voice. In today's small tutorial, I will show you exactly how to use Amazon Music on Alexa, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first and first, make sure Amazon Music is your default player. Open the Alexa app on your phone, then tap the More tab, like bottom right and select Settings. Then you can access music and podcasts, then go all the way to default services. Under default music service, select Amazon Music, so this ensures Alexa plays from Amazon Music unless you specify otherwise. For example, just say Alexa followed by any of these orders. Alexa play and give her the song name, it plays a specific song. Alexa play by artist name or play by playlist name. Play by jazz for example, or even rock. Play music like and give the artist name, and it creates a station based on that artist. You can also control playback with your voice. So you can use pause, stop, next, previous, volume up, volume down. Alexa says volume to 5. What song is this? And she will tell you the song and artist. Alexa turn on shuffle, or Alexa turn off shuffle. Alexa repeat the song, or Alexa loop mode on. You can search for like a lot of controls on Google if you want to. And that was it for today. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.